Home renewal projects can seem overwhelming to many homeowners. It's with this in mind that Feldco strives to delight our customers with our simple home improvement process. From your first call to your installation, we ensure your project will be smooth and hassle-free. The first step of your home renewal project is a simple phone call or email. We'll ask you a few questions about your window, siding, or door project to make sure we fully understand your needs. Once we've done so, we'll schedule a convenient appointment for a Feldco product specialist to come out to your home. Next, you'll have an in-home consultation with one of our product specialists. Through a conversation about your home renewal project, you'll be presented with options that meet your specific needs. After you've made your decision, final measurements will be confirmed, and then comes your product installation. On your installation day, a highly skilled team will bring your project to reality in a quick and professional manner, ensuring you're happy with the results. Our simple home improvement process is designed to delight you from beginning to end. As always, customer delight is the driving factor behind everything we do as a company. Feldco, improving lives one home at a time.